Thomas and the jet engine. Thomas was having a lovely day on Zordor, so he decided to go for overdrive. And eventually, he came across a jet engine. Whoa, I found a jet engine. I'm gonna take it for a spin. So he uncoupled from Enya and Clearbell. The jet engine turned on and it started whirring and whirring until it made Thomas start moving. But before, the points were changed. Thomas was having fun with the jet engine, but what he didn't realize is that the points were changed and he was going to crash. Oh no, I'm going to crash! No! Percy came along and saw that Thomas had crashed with the jet engine. See, Thomas, this is why you don't play with a jet engine. I will not do that next time. I hope not. The end.